Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Apollo Group TV on your Amazon Firestick. This process is quick and easy, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Prepare your Firestick. First things first, we need to make sure our Firestick is ready for the installation. Head over to the Settings menu from your Firestick home screen. From there, scroll over to My Fire TV and click on it. Now, select Developer Options. Here, you need to turn on both ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. This will allow us to install apps that are not available on the Amazon App Store. Don't worry, this is completely safe as long as you know and trust the sources of your apps. Step 2. Install Downloader app. Next, we need to install an app called Downloader. This app will help us download the Apollo Group TV APK file. From your Firestick home screen, go to the search icon and type in Downloader. Once you see it, click on Downloader and then press Download or Get. After the installation is complete, open the Downloader app. Step 3. Download Apollo Group TV APK. Now that we have Downloader open, you'll see a space to enter a URL. This is where we'll enter the URL for the Apollo Group TV APK file. Enter the following URL, Apollo Group TV, and click Go. The APK file will start downloading. Once it's finished, you'll be prompted to install it. Click on Install. Step 4. Open Apollo Group TV. After the installation is complete, you can either open the app directly from here or find it in your Apps and Channels section on the Firestick home screen. Let's open it now. Step 5. Log in and enjoy. Now you need to log in with your Apollo Group TV credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up on their official website first. Enter your username and password, and you're all set. Conclusion. And there you have it. Apollo Group TV is now installed on your Firestick, giving you access to all your favorite channels and content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streaming.